the end of each stage of the hearing, the parties are invited to make submissions to the panel as to why their position is to be preferred. So, for example, at the end of the second stage, where the panel has to decide whether or not the code of conduct has been breached, the councillor or member might want to argue that the code of conduct has not been breached, while the ombudsman is likely to argue that it has. Submissions are a way of setting out your case and your position to the panel. You might want to refer to the law, but more often than not, it is more useful simply to explain your position, point out to the panel the evidence that it is seen or heard that supports your position, and say why evidence which might be seen as not supporting your position should either be ignored or have less weight put upon it by the panel.